In this video, I'm going to show you how to install apps on iPhone. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Swipe your iPhone right, head over to your app store. This is our app store. I'm going to click on it. Once it has opened up right now, you're going to click on this search, right? From this search, you're going to see a whole lot of applications right here on the app store. So let's say if I want to install, let me say Facebook, right? I'll just come in here, type on Facebook, right? It's going to gradually load up. Once it has opened up right now, you're going to see a lot of options, right? So I'm going to just click on this. Once I click on it, I'm going to open it. Now you're going to see the details about Facebook. You can see the ratings, the age, the charts, the developer, the language, and all, right? So just click on this get. Once I click on this get, you're going to be asked if you want to download the app, right? So if you click on this install right now, you're going to install the app right into your iPhone. This is basically how you can install apps on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you on the very next video.